Section 1. Right foot, heel grind, back touch. Left foot, heel grind, back touch. Section 2. Right foot, hold touch, hook, flip, back flip, behind, recover, touch. Facing one side, kick or cross. Section facing 12 o'clock, side, heel, all cross, together, facing 9 o'clock, toe touch, toe touch. Section 4, boogie walk, pole walk, right, left, right, left. Left quarter turn, pole walk, right, left, right, left, facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,